Well, it's a nice sunny day at our West Coast Tech Center, and so I decided it was a perfect time to check out this new outdoor access point for solid signal. This is made by RevGen Networks and uses the GOT-W3 system. And this is called the Extended Range LTE Access Point. The idea is that it provides better service than you would get with just tethering to your cell phone. What do I mean by that? You see, if you're outside and you need Wi-Fi, well, you could just tether to your cell phone, right? Well, that sounds like a good idea, but maybe you're in an area that doesn't get great cell phone service. This new LTE access point will actually check on multiple different networks and give you the fastest no matter what. It's also significantly bigger than a cell phone, and so its antennas are going to pick up a lot more signal. That means you should get faster speeds. Now, this is kind of a neat idea, and the question is whether or not it's going to work. Now, I can't do a true unboxing on this product because I got an activated unit from RevGen, so I won't be able to tell you how it comes out of the box in kind of a native virgin way. But I think it's worth it because this way it's already activated and I can just go on to see how it's going to perform. On the other hand, if you get one of these, you're going to want to call the experts at Solid Signal at 888-233-7563 to get all set up. All right, enough of the commercial. Let's see how it performs. Well, like I said, this is not a kind of a virgin unit. This unit's already been used, so it doesn't surprise me to open it up and find that it's already got a little bit of wear on it. Get a power supply. Not sure if the Ethernet cable comes with it, but they are inexpensive at solidsignal.com, and you get a little bit of a mount. But really, this is the main unit. It's secure, weatherproof, Ethernet port at the bottom. That's about all there is to it. I'm going to assemble it, and I will let you know how it works. So basically, all I did here was I just put this up on a tripod. It's got these little magnets that clip onto the back, help it hold on, but you could also just put it onto a big piece of metal that way. They're extremely strong magnets. It uses power over Ethernet. So this is the power inserter. Power goes in, and you can also have Ethernet out if you want to. But I plugged it in, I turned it on, and within about maybe 30 seconds, I had two new networks that I could connect to. This was about as easy as it got. There's a sticker on the back, tells you what the default username and password are. I used that and I connected, and it just worked. So let's take a look and let's get some speed comparisons to what we would get one way or the other. I also got my hands on this SIMTELL router, which is essentially the same thing as the outside router. It's just designed for inside if you get good cell service inside. You can also pair it with a cell phone signal booster from Solid Signal. It's the same idea. And we're going to see how it performs. I think it's really going to perform the same way, considering that I do have pretty much the same cell service outdoors as indoors, thanks to my cell phone signal booster. What I did here was just tethered my laptop to my cell phone. There is a cell phone signal booster, but honestly, the cell service in this area isn't great. I prefer speedof.me because it stress tests at a lot of different speeds, and I've sped this up a little bit so that you can just get an idea and you don't have to wait quite as long. As you can see, it's not incredibly impressive. Here's the same result with the SIMTELL router. Now, obviously, this is a lot better. This is enough connectivity so that you could have more than one person on. What's happening here is that the router has chosen a different cell service provider than I normally use, and it's getting much better reception. Note that the upload speed is still relatively low, but that's a consequence of cellular uploads. I mean, that's just the way it is. The fact is, if you're going to want to use wireless service for your internet, you want to check out the ER-LTE or the SIMTELL unit. Both are available from solidsignal.com. Call us at 888-233-7563 with any questions.